Welcome back to the Review Garage, your ultimate destination for the hottest reveals, in-depth reviews, and everything automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the world of high-performance machines. Now, buckle up, because today, we're talking about one of the most iconic American muscle cars that just got a next-gen makeover. The 2026 Shelby GT500 has officially been unveiled, and it's nothing short of a beast reborn. The Shelby GT500 has always been the pinnacle of Ford's performance game, and for 2026, it's taking a bold leap into the future. The new design is aggressive, aerodynamic, and absolutely menacing. Ford and Shelby have worked together to sharpen every angle, optimize every line, and make this car a perfect blend of modern muscle and track-ready engineering. The front fascia is lower and wider, with a reworked grille that screams performance. The iconic Cobra badge still sits proudly, now surrounded by more carbon fiber than ever before. The hood features massive heat extractors that not only look mean but also serve serious function. Under the hood, things get even crazier. The 2026 GT500 is powered by a next-generation 5.2-liter supercharged V8, rumored to push out a staggering 800 horsepower. That's right, 800 horses of raw, unfiltered American power. The new engine has been retuned with advanced fuel injection, lightweight internals, and a revised cooling system to make sure it stays relentless on both road and track. Mated to a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the shifts are quicker and smoother than ever, offering lightning-fast gear changes and improved acceleration. 0 to 60, Shelby says, under 3 seconds. That puts it in supercar territory. The performance upgrades don't stop there. The 2026 GT500 now rides on an adaptive suspension system that reads road conditions in real time, giving you precise handling when you need it and comfort when you don't. Brembo brakes, with massive rotors, offer the stopping power needed to match the speed, and a new active aero package ensures the car sticks to the pavement even at insane speeds. It's also lighter than the previous generation, thanks to the extensive use of aluminum and carbon fiber in the body and chassis. Inside, it's a mix of heritage and high-tech. The cockpit is driver-focused with a race-inspired digital display, flat-bottom steering wheel, and Recaro seats wrapped in Alcantara. Ford's latest SYNC infotainment system is front and center, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium B&O sound system for those rare moments when you're not listening to the roar of that supercharged V8. And for those looking for more, Ford is also introducing a carbon track pack, complete with carbon fiber wheels, a rear seat delete, a larger rear wing, and additional cooling components. This isn't just a road car, it's a full-blown track weapon that still keeps its street-legal edge. What makes the 2026 GT500 even more exciting is that it's part of Ford's performance future, blending traditional muscle DNA with advanced tech and engineering. It's not an EV, but it's designed to coexist in a future where performance cars have to do more than just go fast. It needs to be smart, efficient, and emotionally engaging, and the new GT500 nails it. This next-generation Shelby GT500 is more than just a refresh. It's a rebirth, with bold styling, monstrous power, and next-level technology. It proves that American muscle is far from dead. It's evolving. Thanks for watching the Review Garage. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2026 Shelby GT500. Would you take it over a Corvette Z06 or even a European rival like the AMG GT? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Catch you in the next one.